Now add another label and write password. Close the label tag and then write input type equals, then write password and you can also use the attributes called autofocus and required. Also give an ID, suppose pass. Now let us save this and run it. So as you can see, this is my sign up form with a name and a password slot. Now in order to arrange this password below that name label, now let us write here after the input type text write BR. This BR will help to get this label password in the next line. So now save this and run it. So as you can see, the password is right below name. Again, you can also give another BR. So this will add another line of space. Now save this and let us run it again. So as you can see, the password is quite below name. So in this way, you can change the format. Now when you write a password here, so as you can see, it's coming in the star form. You cannot see your password. But for name, you can see whatever you write. So now get back and try it yourself.